Nature is calling. Are you listening? Feeling overwhelmed? Step outside. Embrace forest bathing. It's not about the miles, it's about the moments. Breathe in the fresh air. Let the leaves whisper to you. Find a quiet spot, sit down, and just be. Did you know just 15 minutes in nature can lower your stress? The rustling leaves, the gentle breeze, they're your allies in finding peace. Reconnect with the earth and let your spirit soar. If this resonated with you, imagine the magic of daily nature breaks. Hit subscribe for more ways to nurture your soul.